Okay, it's just going to be a quick one. Continuing servicing my wife's Mini. I'm just going to do the air filter. This requires an 8mm socket to take off nuts 1, 2. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Now the second one here is a bit awkward to get to, so when you do it, be careful not to drop your tool, because these wires can pinch and pull your tool off. Now, I'm also going to do the spark plugs today, but I'll do that separately just so this is nice and quick for anyone wanting to do the easy work. Now this should just then unclip from here and here, and then a little bit of leverage, he says. There we go. And this thing should just come out. And as you can see, that is filthy. I'm going to grab the new one. This is your new one here. It's a much better state than the previous. So let's get that in. Okay. Now, I have to kind of angle hook so it clips around the back here. So push down, which means these screws can't be through. So just pull them up a bit. Anyway, come on. This is a bit of a pain, actually. There we go, that's hooked. That's hooked. Which means that one gets put in. Screw that up. And also, let's get this one here in. Then clip that back and that back. And then that is not catching there at all. It looks like this screw's lost all its thread on this car, but that's mounted. There we go. Quick little air filter on an R50 Mini.